Hello everyone, how are you all? So children, today is our maths class and the topic is ones and tens. Okay children, so let's learn. So children, before we start this topic, I will tell you something. In maths, what T is for and what O is for. Okay, T is for tens and O is for ones. So children, when we have 10 numbers, so we use tens, and when we have less than number 10 like 5, 6, 7, 8, okay, so and 9. When we have less than 10 numbers, so we use ones, okay. T is for tens, O is for ones. Okay, so children have you ever noticed that we write TO before starting the counting? आपने ध्यान दिया जब हम काउंटिंग स्टार्ट करते हैं तो मैम ने हमेशा आपको बताया है TO सबसे पहले लिखते हैं, उसके बाद काउंटिंग स्टार्ट करते हैं. सो O is for ones and T is for tens. O is for ones means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, these are ones. And 10 number is for tens. Okay, 10. So children, now I will show you some example. So children, now I have some colors here, okay. So let's count these colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So children, now I will tie these colors together, okay, and will make a bunch of it. So children, whenever we have number 10, so we have make a bundle, okay, look at here. And so we will make a bundle of 10. Bundle of 10. So we have one bundle. So we have one bundle. So few colors are left. Look at here. So few colors are left. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 colors. And so children, how many bunches of colors here? One bunch. Okay, one bunch. And how many colors are these? कितने colors हैं ये? Bunch एक है मगर colors कितने हैं? 7. Oh, sorry, 10. 10 colors. Okay, so this is one bunch of 10 colors. One bunch of 10 colors. It means 10 ones में 1 tens. So children, when we have less than number 10, here we have 7, and whenever we have less than number 10, so we cannot make a bundle. Okay? We cannot make a bundle. I have, how many colors are there? 7 colors. Okay? So children, let's write T for tens and O for ones. So how many colors I have without bundle? Without bundle कौन से कलर जो हैं मेरे पास जो बंडल में नहीं हैं वो हैं 7. So these are 7. So these are come under ones. ये कहाँ लिखा जाएगा? ones के नीचे 7 because ये जो हैं बंडल में नहीं हैं. And how many bundles I have? Only one, which is of number 10. Which is of number 10. So we have one bundle. So these are, so one bundle. Okay, we have to write here one bundle. So how many bundles are there total? In total, so we have 17 colors. Okay, how many colors are there? 17 colors. Okay. So children, we have one bundle of 10 colors. Okay, and 5 colors without a bundle. Okay, so how many colors are there? 10 and 7 is 17. Okay, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17 colors. And here we write 17 colors. Okay, do you understand the concept of one sentence? Okay. Okay children, now let's see one more example. If I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, 10 stick. Now I will tie them. Okay, again I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, again I will tie them. So 10 and 10 means 20. Okay, equal to 20 sticks. And how many bundles are there? How many bundles? 1 and 2 bundles. Okay, I have 2 bundles of 20 sticks. Okay, 2 bundles of 20 sticks. So children, tell me how many sticks we have without a bundle? We have no sticks without a bundle. 0. हमारे पास यहाँ पर विदाउट बंडल कोई भी स्टिक्स नहीं है. सो we have to write here 0. Okay, and how many bundles are there? Yes, 2 bundles. So we have to write here 2. So in total we have 20 sticks. Okay children, do you understand? We have 2 bundles of 20 sticks. Okay. Now next example. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, so I have 10 balloons. Okay, now I will tie them. Okay, I will tie them. So one bundle of 10 balloons. Okay, अभी यहाँ पर क्या है, एक बंडल है मेरे पास, 10 balloons का एक बंडल है. Okay, now next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Again I will tie them all. So I have one more bundle. 2 bundles. Okay. Now so children, now I have 3 balloons without a bundle. Okay, because when we have less than 10 numbers, so we cannot make a bundle. So there are 3 balloons. Okay, so we cannot make a bundle. So 3 balloons. Okay, 2 bundles. Okay, 2 bundles means 1 bundle of 10 balloons and 1 bundle of 10 balloons means 20 balloons. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. ओके, सो हमारे पास क्या है, कितने बलून्स हैं, 20 बलून्स हैं. ओके, सो चिल्ड्रन टेल मी हाउ मेनी balloons we have without bundle. It's 3. Okay, it's 3. So these are come under ones. Okay, 3 ones because 3 is less than 10 number. Okay, and and how many bundles are there? 2 bundles. 2 bundles. We have 2 bundles. So we have to write here 2. Okay. So 2 comes under tens. Okay. 2 कहाँ आएगा? टेंस में आएगा क्योंकि बंडल है. कितने बंडल्स है? 2 बंडल्स हैं तो ये टेंस में आएंगे, बिकॉज द बंडल ऑफ बलून्स, 1 बंडल इज of 10 balloons. Okay, so 2 bundles of 20 balloons. Okay, 1 bundle में 10 balloons हैं तो दोनों bundles के जब हम ऐड करते हैं तो 20 balloons. So 2 bunch of 20 balloons. Okay, so we have to write here 2 and 3 means 23 balloons. Okay, 23. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 and 23. Okay. So children, do you understand? Okay, very good. Okay children, let's do with the abacus. This is a abacus. Okay. So we have 1, then 2 and 3 ones. Okay, 3 ones. You can see here ones and tens. Okay, ones and tens. Now in tens we have, so children, here we have 3 ones and 4 tens. So 4, 3, 43. 4, 3, 43. Again we have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ones means 70. 74. 74. Okay, 7 means 70. 74. Okay. So children, open your book on page number 163. Here is our topic, ones and tens. Okay, ones and tens. So children, I have already explained ones and tens. Okay, so here we have learned about ones. Okay, ones means when we have less than number 10. जब हमारे पास नंबर 10 से कम नंबर होते हैं तो हम उन्हें वंस बोलते हैं, वंस. यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पर सारे जितने भी नंबर हैं नंबर 10 से कम हैं तो हम वंस यूज़ करते हैं, ओ, वंस. ओके, here we have numbers which are less than number 10. Okay, so on next page number 164. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to count the beads and write their number. Okay, like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have to write here 7. Okay, so 7 नंबर क्या है, 10 नंबर से कम है, लेस है, तो ये वंस है. 7 नंबर जो है वंस है. ओके, लेट्स काउंट दीज बीट्स. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. ओके, ये भी वंस है बिकॉज ये नंबर 10 से छोटा है, कम है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Or here we have only one bead. Okay, now next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have 5 beads. Okay. So children, whenever we have less than number 10, so we use ones, only ones. O. Okay. Ones. Now on page number 165. So children, page number 165, here ones and tens. So read the tens in the boxes and count the number shown. The first one is done for you. हमें क्या करना है? अब यहाँ तो हमारे पास 1 स्टिक थी जिसमें बीट्स थे. यहाँ हमारे पास 2 स्टिक्स हैं और दोनों में बीड्स हैं. So what we have to do? We have to count and write here their number, means 1 and 2. So 2 is for ones. Ones, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is for tens, means 40. 42. 4 bundle of 40 beads. यहाँ पर 4 bundles हैं 40 beads के. मैंने आपको बताया था कि जब 10 का जब एक बनता है बंडल, फिर भी उसमें 10 होते हैं, तो यहाँ आपके पास 4 beads हैं, means 40, means 40 and here we have 2. So 42. Okay children? 4 bundles and 2 without bundle. So we have 42. Sorry, 4 bundles, only 4 bundles. Okay, so again we will do. So here we have 1, 2, 3. 3 beads without a bundle. Okay, and here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bunches of. Okay, 4 is for tens. So 4 bunches of 40 beads. So we have to write here 4, 3, 43. Okay. Now again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So children, 8 is less than 10. So we have to write under the ones. Ones के नीचे हमने लिखा 8 और 1 means 1 bundle of 10. 1 bundle of 10. So we have 1, 8, 18. Okay, 18. Okay, now next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 again 4 bundles. 4 for tens means bundles and 5 for ones means without bundle. So we have 45. 45. Okay. Now next we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 for ones and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bunches. Okay, 4 for tens means 45. Okay, 5 is less than 10. Okay, next is 1, 2, 3. So we have to write here 3. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means 5 bundles means 50. Okay, 50 means 5, 3, 53. Okay, now next is 1, 2, 3. 3 is for ones and 1, 2, 3 is for tens means 3 bunches of 30 beads. 3 bunches of 30 beads means 3, 3, 33. Okay, so children, do you understand? 4 bunches of 40 beads here and 4 bunches of 40 beads here and 1 bunches of 10 beads. Okay, and 4 bunches of 40 beads, 4 bunches of 40 beads and 5 bunches of 50 beads and 3 bunches of 30 beads. Okay, एक बंच में 10 बीड्स होंगे और 3 बंच में 30 बीड्स होंगे. Okay, okay, so children, you have to do these page 164 and 165 and 166 and 167. You have to do these 4 pages in your maths notebook. Page number 164, 165, 166 and 167. Okay children, so bye bye and take care. I hope you understand this concept. Okay, take care.